In this video, I'll break down exactly how that system works so you can start off strong and make smarter moves from day one. The real turning point for me came when I stopped chasing quick meme coin flips and started treating them like real projects that deserve effort and time. That small mindset shift completely changed my results. These days, I mainly focus on new launches. Like many others, I began on SplixFun. But the scene isn't what it used to be. It's far more crowded now, and just showing up won't cut it. Even with a solid plan, luck still plays a role, and losses are simply part of the journey. After getting caught up in SplixFun's non-stop madness, I started looking for something a bit more stable. That's when I discovered Raydium, which quickly became my preferred trading platform. The whole experience feels smoother, a cleaner interface, a steadier pace, and a stronger focus on consistent growth instead of constant pump and dump cycles. While SplixFun throws countless tokens into the mix every second, Raydium keeps things more balanced. Only a few coins launch at a time, giving each one a real chance to build momentum. I've tested a ton of different platforms over time, but everything started to click once I discovered SplixFun. It's hands down the best tool I've found for Raydium launches. It's fast, intuitive, and automates all the back-end work. No coding, no stress. With just a few clicks, your project can be live in minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can see how simple it really is. Let's dive in. One of the biggest beginner mistakes that kills engagement instantly is skipping the logo when launching your meme coin. Think of it as your project's first impression, its handshake with the world. Without a logo, or with one that looks rushed, people will scroll right past your token. Aim for something that stands out. Bold colors, clean shapes, and a fun, recognizable vibe. If you're short on ideas, check social media for trending memes. For this example, I'm using Mita, a popular character from a viral indie game. Stuff like that fits perfectly with meme coins. Before moving on, resize your image to 128 by 128 and save it. Now that your logo's ready, it's time to launch your coin. The setup is simple. Connect your wallet, approve the pop-up, and follow the next steps. Your token will be live in under 5 minutes. You'll need to fill out 4 main details: name, ticker, description, and logo. For this example, I'm naming it Kind Mita with MITA as the ticker. Next, upload your logo and move forward. You'll now define your tokenomics. Don't worry if it looks complex. The default settings are already optimized, so just click Next. You might notice optional add-ons like Creator Name or Launch Page Name. These don't affect your token's performance, so it's best to skip them for now. At this point, you can link your token to your social media accounts. It's great for credibility. If you have active profiles, go ahead and connect them. Next up, the Revoke Authorities section. Turning on Revoke Freeze keeps trading open, Revoke Mint blocks new tokens from being minted, and Revoke Update permanently locks your contract. Enabling all 3 shows full transparency, which builds trust with potential investors. Once done, hit Launch, approve the wallet pop-up, and your token will be live. Afterward, verify everything on SolScan. It ensures your coin is properly minted and visible on the blockchain. Seeing it there means your launch is official, transparent, and ready for trading. Liquidity is what makes your token tradable. It's the fuel that powers the market. Without it, no one can buy or sell. Head to the Liquidity tab, and I'll show you the process. Once you click it, Liquidity tab will open automatically. Select your token and confirm the match. Once loaded, select Add User Token and confirm. For this example, I'm adding 900 million out of 1 billion tokens into the pool. Next, pick your quote token, usually SOL, since it's stable and liquid. Decide how much to add. The more you contribute, the stronger your token's visibility and price stability will be. I will put all my Solana, since more you put, more you make. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the wallet pop-up, and your token will be immediately tradable on Raydium and Photon. Let's check if the token has already appeared on Photon. Personally, I prefer using DexScreener. It's smoother, more visual, and gives a much clearer overview of what's actually happening with the market, the volume, liquidity, and those early price movements that really matter. So let's head back to SplixFun and click View on Raydium. That will automatically redirect us to DexScreener, where we can monitor our token in a much more professional and detailed way, tracking live price action, liquidity, and overall market activity. Now comes the fun part. Pay close attention to the liquidity section. That's where most of the action happens. Keep in mind, many of the price moves you see come from trading bots, not real users. In your Raydium portfolio, you can view all your tokens and liquidity positions in one place. Earnings are displayed there as well. If your new pool doesn't appear immediately, give it 10 to 15 minutes. It usually shows up soon. As you watch the chart, you'll start to notice market patterns, quick bot moves, volume spikes, and price swings. Since liquidity directly affects profits, monitor your Raydium position closely. When your position appears, that's your cue to act, and I'll walk you through what to do next. The last step is simple. Open your liquidity tab on Raydium, find your LP position, click the minus icon, and drag the slider to 100%. Double-check the SOL amount, and then press Remove Liquidity. Approve the wallet confirmation. Once the alert appears, your profits start flowing directly into your wallet. Wait a few seconds for it to sync. The numbers will update instantly. Let's open the wallet and check the profit. In this example, my gain was around 0.9 SOL. It might not sound like much at first, but running this process several times a day can stack up surprisingly fast. By the way, here's the giveaway winner from the previous video. If you'd like a chance to win in the next one, make sure to join the Telegram group. The link's in the description below. If this strategy feels right for you, it's definitely something worth exploring further. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more meme coin launch breakdowns and tutorials.